Welcome to this stunning modern luxury house for sale. Today, we'll take you on a virtual tour of this beautiful property located in Siriwardena Road, Kurukulawa, Ragama. Situated in a calm and peaceful area with friendly neighbors, this property offers a perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. Just a short 10-minute drive away, you'll find Kadwatha town and the highway, making commuting a breeze. And for those who frequently travel to Kerawalapitiya, the highway entrance is only 15 minutes away. The house comes with a secure boundary wall and a convenient roller shutter gate, ensuring your privacy and safety. You'll also find an 8-channel CCTV camera system for added security. Step inside and be greeted by the master bedroom, complete with a powerful 18,000 BTU LG inverter AC, providing a comfortable and cool environment during hot days. The modern kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring all the amenities you need to prepare delicious meals for you and your family. Outside, you'll find a charming small garden with tasteful landscaping, creating a refreshing and relaxing outdoor space. Enjoy breathtaking views from the balcony or head up to the rooftop for a perfect spot to unwind and admire the surroundings. The house is located on a well-maintained Carpet road, adding to the overall charm and accessibility of the area. This property sits on a generous 6-perch land, with a spacious 1,750 square feet living space. And rest assured, the documents are all clear and ready for you to own this dream house. The price for this luxurious house is just 22,500,000 rupees, which is approximately 22.5 million Sri Lankan rupees. And remember, the price is negotiable after inspection. If you're interested in owning this marvelous property, don't hesitate to contact us at the provided numbers. +947 5358 6307 or 0702 803532. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. If this modern luxury house in Kurukulawa, Ragama has caught your eye, make sure to reach out to us for more information and to schedule a visit. Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to own your dream home in this serene location. Like and subscribe for more exciting property tours. Until next time, goodbye.